Reliability is key when choosing an SUV, and for 2025, several models excel in durability and performance. In this video, we'll highlight 8 of the most reliable SUVs of the year, based on Consumer Reports' reliability study. Number 8. Mazda Cx-5. The 2025 Mazda Cx-5 continues to make a strong impression in the compact crossover segment, blending reliability with engaging performance. Consumer Reports gives it high marks, with a predicted reliability score of 84 out of 100, placing it well above the average for new vehicles. Mazda's reputation for delivering a premium driving experience is evident in the Cx-5. Reviewers praise its precise handling, upscale interior design, and attention to detail, which rival some luxury competitors. While some owners have noted minor infotainment quirks, the Cx-5's overall dependability overshadows these issues. The Cx-5 offers an efficient powertrain with an EPA rating of 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon highway for the base engine, making it a practical choice for both urban commutes and longer road trips. With its balance of style, reliability, and driving dynamics, the 2025 Mazda Cx-5 is a compelling option for drivers seeking a versatile and refined compact crossover. Number 7. Mazda Cx-5. For those looking for a trustworthy compact SUV, the 2025 Mazda Cx-5 is a strong contender. It has a solid reputation for dependability, as reflected in its steady performance and a Consumer Reports reliability score in the mid-80s. Owner feedback highlights high satisfaction, particularly regarding its engaging driving dynamics and overall performance. Many appreciate its ability to deliver a premium driving experience at a competitive price. The 2025 Mazda Cx-5 comes with a price range of $28,570 to $40,600, offering options to suit various budgets. The Cx-5 is also practical, with a towing capacity of up to 2,000 pounds, making it suitable for light trailers and jet skis. Its base engine achieves an estimated fuel efficiency of 26 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway, ensuring a balance between performance and economy. Overall, the 2025 Mazda Cx-5 is a dependable and stylish compact SUV that combines functionality with performance. Number 6. Toyota Highlander. Consumer Reports gave the 2025 Toyota Highlander a strong dependability rating of about 81 out of 100, making it a reliable choice for families. This score provides reassurance for prospective buyers. While some owners have reported early issues, such as heater core problems, approximately 64% of owners on Kelley Blue Book have awarded it a perfect 5-star rating. The Highlander excels in safety, often earning 5-star ratings and receiving high marks from both the IIHS and NHTSA. This makes it a reassuring option for families that prioritize safety. The Highlander comes with standard warranty coverage, 3 years or 36,000 miles for basic coverage and 5 years or 60,000 miles for the powertrain, offering peace of mind to new owners. The 2025 Toyota Highlander's price starts at $39,520 for the base LE trim and goes up to $50,375 for the top-tier Platinum trim. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Highlander is a durable family SUV with reliable performance and advanced safety features. Number 5. Toyota Corolla Cross. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross upholds Toyota's long-standing reputation for reliability. According to Consumer Reports, the 2025 model is projected to be more reliable than the average new vehicle, offering drivers added peace of mind. With a perfect predicted reliability rating of 5 out of 5, the Corolla Cross stands out in its class. It delivers dependable performance even under challenging conditions and is designed to minimize repair shop visits. Toyota supports the Corolla Cross with a standard 3-year 36,000-mile warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, ensuring long-term reliability for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross has a price range of $24,035 to $31,580, making it an appealing option for those seeking a durable and practical small crossover. Number 4. Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V upholds its strong reputation for reliability, consistently earning high ratings from Consumer Reports and ranking near the top of the compact SUV segment. With a dependability score of approximately 83 out of 100, it demonstrates Honda's commitment to quality engineering and consistent performance. With a price range of $28,750 to $35,000, the 2025 CR-V offers a balance of affordability and value, catering to a variety of drivers. Reviewers highlight the CR-V's robust construction and excellent handling, supported by favorable ratings based on customer feedback. While some users have reported minor technical issues, these do not overshadow the vehicle's overall reliability. Designed to handle daily commutes and weekend adventures with ease, the 2025 Honda CR-V is a practical and dependable choice for drivers. Number 3. Subaru Crosstrek. The 2025 Subaru Crosstrek is a reliable choice for drivers who prioritize both dependability and capability. With a predicted reliability score of 88 out of 100 from Consumer Reports, it falls in the great category, indicating strong performance and fewer chances of needing repairs. With prices ranging from $27,115 to $33,915. Depending on the trim and options, the Crosstrek offers a variety of configurations to meet different needs and budgets. Owners praise the Crosstrek's all-wheel drive system and off-road capabilities, making it a popular choice for outdoor activities. Consumer Reports highlights its solid performance across various conditions, reinforcing its reputation for reliability. Additionally, the Crosstrek has received a road test score of 90 out of 100 and a predicted owner satisfaction score of 5 out of 5. Subaru supports the Crosstrek with a 3-year 36,000-mile limited warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, offering standard but reassuring coverage. Number 2. Subaru Forester. For drivers looking for a trustworthy compact SUV, the 2025 Subaru Forester is positioned as a standout in terms of dependability. With an amazing score of 88, Consumer Reports forecasts that this model will be much more dependable than the average new automobile. In addition, it is among the top SUVs for less than $30,000. Compared to previous generations, the Forester has seen significant reliability gains in recent years, with fewer reports of expensive repairs. This change makes it a desirable option for those who want to steer clear of unforeseen maintenance costs. With an EPA rating of 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway, the Forester is a dependable vehicle that offers useful fuel savings. The 2025 Subaru Forester is a formidable competitor in the compact SUV market because of its well-rounded combination of dependability, efficiency, and practicality. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 has an outstanding dependability rating of 86 out of 100 from Consumer Reports, making it stand out as a top performer. Based on input from more than 300,000 car owners, this ranking takes into account factors including body integrity and engine performance. The RAV4 consistently ranks at the top of its class, which is a strong indication of Toyota's well-established reputation for durability. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 has a price range of $28,850 to $40,205, depending on the trim and whether it's a hybrid, providing options for various budgets and preferences. Beyond preventing malfunctions, the RAV4's sophisticated features, such as the Toyota Safety Sense suite, provide peace of mind. The non-hybrid model also has excellent fuel efficiency, averaging about 27 miles per gallon. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 is a great option for customers looking for a reliable SUV that can manage everyday responsibilities and excursions with ease because of its proven durability and sensible design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.